सो हॉट गाइस। एक तो पंखा बंद करके रिकॉर्ड करना पड़ता है, नहीं तो आपको आवाजें आएंगी बहुत। Hello, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another product review, and this one product is the Caffeine product which I'm using since 2.5 weeks. लोगों ने तो साल भर यूज किया, but I'm using this right now. So this product has really filled my skin like so smooth. Now this MAC Caffeine product, those who really don't know about this product, so this is India's #1 caffeinated product, and this is a personal care brand. These brand actually what they do is they create body care products like the face care product and all the natural product. So this brand is actually really top of the top, you can say the top. But why not to try it on myself? So I got and I purchased few of the bunches of the product. So today I will be going to review this product. This is the body scrub. Okay. So this product, first it is paraben free, it is cruelty free. Cruelty free you can say कोई भी animal पे उन्होंने इसका इस्तेमाल नहीं किया हुआ है. Then we can say it is FDA approved. This is my diary by the way. This is FDA approved product and this is really a good product. So जल्दी हम इसका review देखते हैं. So now what this brand claims it. Now they are having the ingredient coffee, glucose, cocoa. These are the ingredient which is given over there. I will show you here. You can see this side, and they have also given that how you have to use. I will tell you my ways I have used this, but let's see what it is written there. So it is written there, on wet body you have to take enough quantity as per your body required and apply scrub to the shoulder and spread it all over your upper body. Take enough quantity again and apply it on legs, and although you have to apply on the body in the wet body, and then you have to scrub it really nicely, right? So this is the process you have to do. Now I will tell you, I will also insert a clip now how is the texture is. Now I will show you. It's come with this cute bottle. So now this is the packed one actually. I will show you the another one using this, and this come with this spatula, right? I don't know. So this come with this bottle. I have all ये देखो आधी खाली हो चुकी है, मतलब मैं इसको यूज़ कर रही हूँ. This come with this, so it is really easy to convenient. आप इसको आराम से निकाल सकते हो. So now if we talk about this product, इसका texture बहुत ही दरदरा होता है, right? मैं यहाँ पे clip add करूँगी आपको दिखाने के लिए. You can see there. So how I use this product, I generally while taking a bath, you just wet your body and apply all over your body. Just avoid your face because this product is meant to be for your body. Your body skin is really tight is more hard as compared to your face. So don't apply on your face. It will really give you a harsh effect. So this really soothes your skin. This really exfoliates your skin so deeply and nourishes. And after bathing, it left a few oils. You know, it really don't soak all the oil of your body. And second thing, after doing the scrubbing, I would recommend not to use your body wash because you will really don't need to use that. That will you will not get the good results. So this is really sufficient for your body. So and the best part is the boys can also use this product. Now here comes few things that boys are not having lots of product, they really don't use. And if we talk about boys, they are not going to do the DIY and XYZ. So I mostly prefer to the product which are really made and they are really natural. So ये product कोई भी use कर सकता है. There is no harm in this product. So ये product कोई भी use कर सकता है. If we talk about boys, so boys can also use this product, and this is really good product. Now the same process with the boys also. They just have to wet their body and use the little amount of product and scrub it on your body, and this will really give you a soothing effect. All the boys don't prefer DIY. I mean the busy schedule which are having, कोई DIY prefer नहीं करता है यार, मतलब इतना time ही नहीं होता है, right? So I think this is the best alternative for your DIY. You can go into it. So I will mention the link of this product, the website of this product from where I have ordered. Actually I have ordered this from Nykaa. So they were having a sale of 1+1. So the price of this product is 450, right? And I'm telling you, this is worth. Price is totally worth it. The quantity is good. The amount is good, and it comes with this pretty bottle यार. What you exactly want, and the results are really good. मैंने यहाँ पे clips insert किए जो कि आपने देख लिए हैं, that they really gives you a good results. So this is all from my side, and one more thing I want to add now. इसके साथ मैंने सोचा मैं स्क्रब भी बता दूं फेस के लिए, मैं बॉडी के लिए बता रही हूँ. सो नाउ दिस इज अ बॉडी स्क्रब फॉर मैककैफिन, एंड गाइस दिस इज रियली 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 गुड. इसके पार्टिकल्स बहुत स्मूथ है, मैं आपको यही बता देती हूँ. एक्चुअली मैं इसका इसका वो करना भूल गई. नाउ इफ आई टेक दिस प्रोडक्ट हेयर, अब आप इसके ग्रैनुअल्स देखिए, बहुत ही बारीक ग्रैनुअल्स हैं इसके. मीन्स दिस विल रियली नॉट हार्म योर फेस. बहुत इजीली आपके फेस को स्क्रब करेगा, एंड यू रियली डोंट नीड टू स्क्रब अ लॉट. आपको अमाउंट लेके उसको बहुत प्रॉपरली से सर्कुलेट मोशन में स्क्रब करना है. दैट विल गिव यू अ रियली गुड रिजल्ट्स. सो this was it from my side. I hope आपको इसका प्रोडक्ट पसंद आएगा, एंड if you really like this product, you can go and purchase it from anywhere. So I will mention the link in my description box, the Amcaffeine brand link, Nykaa, Purple. You can get it from anywhere with a good discount price. So actually, Amcaffeine is going with a very lucrative discount. So you can go and check out on their website, and they all are having lots of product over there. So you can go and check out there. So next video तक हम मिलते हैं. So don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press that bell icon, तो आपको मेरा नोटिफिकेशन आता रहे. So till then, bye, take care. ओके सो अभी मैं जस्ट वीडियो एडिट करी थी, देन आई रियलाइज कि मैं एक पॉइंट बोलना भूल गई हूँ. जो मैंने लास्ट में आपको फेस स्क्रब बताया था, जिस तरीके से आपको फेस स्क्रब करना है. सो जस्ट कीप इन माइंड, इफ यू आर हैविंग अ पिंपल ऑन योर फेस, सो प्लीज अ हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, डोंट यूज एनी स्क्रब. सो इट्स अ रूल, इफ यू आर हैविंग अ पिंपल, डोंट स्क्रब इट, बिकॉज इफ यू विल स्क्रब दैट पोर्शन, इट विल गेट और harsh, right? So just keep in that mind, and it's coming now. Then we have talk about the body scrub, then that is a thumbs up, and do try. If you really like that product, then please do comment here, because जैसे हो वैसे तो बहुत अच्छे हो यार. अपने आप को प्यार करना ज़रूरी है, बट हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत केयर करना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो यस, दिस वॉज इट जो मुझे ऐड करना था. सो बाय.